Yo, dudes!
Yo, dudes!
Why do we laugh? It is funny. Okay, this is my pizza Pudas. I'm Jasmine Hemsley, by the way. You don't know who I am, do we?
Oh yeah, this is Jasmine. Hi.
I'm Jasmine. This is my new book, East by West. I've joined the Happy Pears down in Pearville, outside of Dublin.
Yeah, you're doing great.
And I've got bits of my teeth.
No,
We're
you're doing
making pizza Pudas. So this is my proper East by West
I think
recipe.
this is next level pizza. So it's taking a traditional pizza, which is normally using white flour that requires yeast and proofing time, whereas this, we're using chickpea flour. We're going to have this done really, really quick. And there's actually vegetables in the base, so I'm super excited.
Protein rich. We're just going to add some water to this to make a batter. And we tuck the vegetables in. This is great for kids because they can make this, you know, they can do this from the beginning.
Let's move it up here.
Right,
it looks nearly eggy, doesn't it?
Well, that's what they call it in India. A Puda is an eggless pancake.
Wow.
Okay. Chickpea flour and water.
So that's what it goes. This is called pizza Puda. Sounds a bit weird, but
you're going to put a little bit more.
Really.
So we're looking to reach kind of just quite a loose batter texture.
Yeah, I was going to say thick, but you could say loose. Yes.
To me, that's loose.
Sounds
loose.
Loose sounds weird though, and I think you know.
Just
right. We've got some cumin here, some ground cumin to give it some flavour.
So one teaspoon of ground cumin.
This is a really fantastic digestive spice, makes things tasty. These are black nigella seeds. They're actually not. They're black sesame seeds. We couldn't fiend in these, so we're just going to be cheating. And then we've got some salt, so that goes into there.
Okay, so is that a teaspoon of each?
Yeah.
Can I just take a minute to celebrate this? Stephen bought this last night. Very nice.
So nice. It's still got the label on.
Oh yeah.
Bit of black pepper.
Maple Tree Pottery. Well done.
Yeah, very good.
Okay, so the salt's in there. Right, I think that needs a little bit looser. Now
so
we're going to put in some grated carrots.
Now, we're going to take a grater. So I'm going to grate about half a courgette.
Yeah.
So this is going to add even more moisture to our batter.
So the courgette's particularly wet, so don't go too loose on the batter if you're using.
That's good.
Is that good? About half?
Yeah. Pop that in.
Nice.
And then this is lumpy. This is not well stirred.
Well, I think we should have just sieved the flour, really.
We should have done.
I think the problem wasn't the stirring. If I'm really honest.
David, can we get some heat on there?
Taking a job.
You do. And I'm just checking your shoes. David, get the heat on there. Let's get some coconut oil. Let's put some carrot in there.
Nice.
How much coconut oil, boss?
Okay. A tablespoon.
So we've got about half a carrot there, and we've about half a grated courgette.
And then let's put some coriander in there. Coriander
I like this. Nice.
Yeah.
Okay,
so you can
coriander.
really add all your favourite spices.
This is an extremely original batter.
This is very different. Wow,
This is the Happy Pear version of this one.
Nice. Okay, so we've got coriander leaf in there. I'm going to put the stalk because I'm moving towards zero waste. We're trying to make this a zero waste recipe.
Okay, and so when that melts, we're going to put this
Batter
about half
like
this
a
batter.
pancake.
Yeah, this is like
Like a
two
pancake.
pancakes, exactly.
Cool.
And then we're going to top it with our favourite bits.
And then bake it.
Grill it, whatever you like.
Grill it, bake it, whatever.
If you've got a pizza oven.
Ooh. I wanted to make one.
In your last place, right. So I think that's.
We'll try that batter.
I wouldn't.
That's nice.
Raw chickpea flour. Oh God, go for it, guys.
Well, I don't think there's anything wrong with it. It's a little bit granular, but.
Oh, I think it's a bit
bit
raw
chalky.
tasting.
Bit chalky.
Okay, so we're using.
It tastes like raw chickpeas.
Because it
What a
is.
surprise.
Right, we've got some coconut oil melting very slowly.
We're all just so excited.
Okay, cool.
But you can see how quick it is. I mean, this is just your everyday. This
10-minute pizza, quick!
It's a Friday night recipe, and it is Friday afternoon, so
It's like a healthy Friday night
it
recipe.
is healthy.
Okay, so we're going to cook these on the nice.
Okay, is that nice and hot now? Are we sizzling?
Pretty good.
No.
No, we want sizzle.
Oh, what's
Pesto.
that? Where do you buy this?
Oh, that's pesto, yeah.
Who
Sunrise
made
tomato
this?
pesto. That's actually. Have you tasted that?
I haven't.
Oh,
this is
jeez,
really
you're in for a treat.
Okay. Was there
Okay,
a
live
sauce in there?
tasting. Jasmine Hemsley tasting our sun-dried tomato pesto. Be honest now. It's probably too much for you, is it?
Too much what?
Flavour.
Well, you're not Peter.
Strong.
We're Peter. It's like that's strong. Like that's.
That's not strong. That's delicious. That's
Okay,
really good.
cool.
Okay,
Okay,
I think we're ready.
Okay, this is
We've got
it. Party time.
Look, there's little
Oh,
mini,
sizzle.
mini pizzas in there.
Baby pizzas. Pizzettas.
Let's get those little mini ones out.
Okay, we need a little.
Okay. All right, so here we go. We're going to put half the recipe.
Okay, pizza Puda. The batter's going in.
There we
Nice, we're
go.
putting-
Oh, that's a lot
Right,
of
spread
batter.
it.
Spread it out.
So we're kind of making a pancake really first.
Exactly. This is our little base.
Oh, if I knew it was pancake, I would have put in less oil.
No, because the Pudas are like a little bit frittery.
Okay, of course,
Okay.
India, they love frying
Yes,
everything.
they
They
do.
really do.
And the oil is good. This is coconut oil. Where are you going? Where are you going?
It looks cool, doesn't
It
it?
does. Woo, water over.
good job.
Okay, look at that. So, all the edges are now going to be beautifully frittery. Look at that.
Nice.
That's a
Cool.
lovely idea. Great job, Jazz.
Cool. So pizza
know.
Puda, healthy pizza Pudas.
So the nice thing is you can actually make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these, invite people around, have all your toppings spread out, have the oven on, top
Chop them
them.
up.
For a pizza Puda party. A Friday night pizza Puda
It's a
party.
poopy party.
I love it.
Nice. Nice ring to
Now
it.
we can all look at it like this. So over here, I've just made, just when we turned up, I put in
Simple passata.
some passata because it's winter. There's not really fresh
I
tomatoes.
like the way you put fennel seed in it though.
Can I have a
I
little taste?
like that. That makes me think of a part of Italy I can't
You're gonna
remember.
feed me?
Oh,
That wasn't a weird twinning, that was just nice.
Yeah, they've shared a womb apparently.
Yeah.
Apparently.
Yes, lovely.
Isn't that good? And it's got some
It reminds
jalapenos
me
in
of
this.
brinjal
Spicy as
masala.
heck.
That's what it reminds me of.
You
Okay,
can't-
so
You know
anyway,
brinjal masala?
that's a tomato
Yeah.
sauce that
Yeah.
goes with it.
But you know, you can serve this like a bread. So you could cut this into wedges and serve it with your favourite dips.
Cool, it's really fun.
Yeah. So
It's
we
How
starting
much
to look
flour
almost
did
like
we put
quiche.
in it at the start? Now I'm more interested in it.
I can't remember.
good sign.
Let me have a look.
Pizza Puda, 120 grams.
1 cup. I do cups.
Oh, see, cups American. We live in Ireland.
I know, but it's so
We live in England.
easy.
No,
it's
it
just
isn't,
so
'cause cups
easy.
and
Jeez, it cooks almost like
Oh,
like
look
a
at
quiche.
that.
doesn't
Okay,
it?
you ready? Camera 2, you ready for the flip?
Oh!
Oh, look
That's
at
beautiful. That really is.
that. So now at this
It
point,
is my favourite recipe so far. This is great.
This
Thank
looks
you.
almost like it looks like kind of almost like a crepe or like a.
look at that,
The good
guys.
oil was a good addition.
Yes, I'm telling you. And then
Go,
at this
Jazz.
point in the summer, you could actually just stop at this point and pop rocket on it and all your favourite toppings and have it more like a fresh thing, you know. But
And
it's
we won't even
winter.
bake it, like it's just to save the baking part.
Yeah, let's go. What we got here? This
I'd
is
say we're pretty
That's with vegan cheese.
veganese. Is this?
Veganese.
Veganese.
Okay.
Vegan cheese with
Some sort
a.
of vegan cheese.
Okay. So now oven's on, isn't it, guys?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We can pop that on. Some
You're gonna put it in
basil
the pan?
leaves?
No, the pan. There's plastic on the handles of the pan.
Oh,
so.
have we got a tray?
Oh, gee.
Basil,
Yeah, I have a
basil.
tray
Let's
here.
get some basil on that. Basil.
Okay, hang on, boss. Hang on, boss.
I like being a boss of you two. This is fun.
You're very comfortable in that
never-
position, I've noticed.
I got to hang out with these guys in Arizona, was it?
Arizona,
Earlier this
yeah,
year. It was so much fun.
Yeah,
They
that was
basically
pretty
rocked up off a flight from, was it London via
Scotland with
LA
you.
via
Scotland with your
Scotland?
other sister.
And they came for dinner in full-on tuxes, and everyone was like, "Who are these Irish lads?" Woo! The New York girls loved it.
It's
So
good
there we
fun.
go.
It was good fun.
Are we going to slide him off? Or
Okay,
is it-
I'll slide him
right.
off.
Okay.
So it's definitely he.
It's a.
Well, you said it, so it's great. It doesn't sound as
you go.
bad. He's beautiful. That's beautiful. I love the basil. Basil smells great. I
And
think
then
put-
stick that in the oven, and then we get some lovely flavoured oils,
Beautiful.
and we're done.
It's really nice.
very simple.
Simple.
That's
Pizza
tasty.
Puda.
Now what
Pizza
do we do?
Puda from scratch. Boom! Be ready in 10 minutes.
That's a recipe from Jazz's new book called East by West.
Yay!
Down below. It's really good.
Ayurvedic cooking. If you're kind of interested in healing cooking, Jazz nailed it.
Thank you.
Loads of vegan
beautiful.
recipes. It's cool.
Yeah, great book.
Enjoy.
The kitchen smells fab. Here we go. It's the big reveal. Big reveal. Big reveal. Oh!
Pizza Puda party.
Pizza Puda.
Looks fab.
Let's get a few more
Really
bits
does.
of basil on there.
Nice.
Oil,
You
guys.
don't like crispy basil. I love it. I think
No,
it's
you
cool.
can have
I'm
that.
going to drizzle a little bit of pesto on top.
Yes, please.
And the beauty of this is because the vegetables are hidden, the kids will kind of end up eating it, and you don't have to. You don't have
It's
to.
not
sit-
everyone has kids now.
Okay, well,
Be grand.
anyone who has.
You're grand. There
You're
you go.
grand, there you go.
There, the
And
oil
just a bit of
on
oil.
that.
Oh, look at
I
that.
know.
Jazz.
Okay, look, you can own the
Where's
knife.
our big Italian-y? There it is.
Oh, look at that.
No, it's not. Okay, we're going to
No, we
pretend.
don't have an Italian.
Look, let's just pretend. Look.
Would you like black pepper with that, sir?
Yeah, absolutely. Look.
Okay, cool.
Black
Okay.
pepper added. Here we go.
Am I owning it?
Yes.
You're gonna own it.
Okay.
I love it. Just yes, yes. Oh, I'm excited to try this base. It looks pretty cool.
It's
Jazz, this is
lovely.
very
It's like
lovely.
a sloppy.
Sloppy, you're selling it to me, Jazz. You're selling it to me there.
I was going to say sloppy Giuseppe, but it's not, obviously.
Oh, I like that. I really
cool.
like
Okay,
this.
here we
That's
go.
the way it comes like that. Look at that. There we are. Here we are.
Oh,
Pizza
it's a
Puda.
simple pizza Puda.
First ever
A la
pizza.
Jazz. From Jazz's new book, East by West, full of East
Really
by West.
flavourful.
Full of loads of
Genuinely, I'm genuinely
You're shocked.
surprised
You
at
think
how
I can't
flavourful.
eat
It's hot.
Yeah, well, I didn't expect it to taste as nice as it does. It's really, really tasty.
Actually, the bathroom was done, yeah.
Like that one?
one?
I really
I
like
think my
that.
kids would eat that.
Simple.
Lovely. Like it's
Easy.
like it's like
Veg pack.
it's like an eggy pancake without egg. Like it's really good. Jazz,
And not
deadly.
complicated, hey? Like that one? Done.
Jazz, your winner.
I'm going to recook that one. I'm going to make that maybe not too much
Are you going to recook it, what, better?
I'm going to involve it, of course.
I like
It
the
better be on
fennel
a
and the
flight.
tomato sauce.
Do you
I
like
really
that?
like that.
Yeah, with the jalapeno.
Jazz,
So of course
you
you can
nailed
just
it.
put on whatever you like. So the pancake base.
Jazz Hemsley, deadly.
Pizza Puda from East by West, Jazz Hemsley, super cool. Full details of the book down below. Thank you for watching!
Bye.